In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Golang on your Windows computer, how to set up your VS Code to program in Go, and then we are going to create a Hello World application. So first thing you want to do is to search online for Golang. You then should see the Go programming language website, which we can then click to go there. We will then click the download button, and as we are on Windows, we will click this one right here for Microsoft Windows. It is now finished downloading, so we will click on it to start the installation. Click OK, that we want to launch it. And we will go through next. We accept the license agreement next. We will keep it in the default location of program files. Go next again. And we will now start the installation. If you get the user account control, then click yes. And it should start installing. It is now finished installing, so we'll now click finish. So Go should now be installed on your computer, and to verify this we can go into the terminal, which I have opened within my VS Code, and if we type Go, we will see at the moment the term Go is not recognized. This could be because I already had a terminal open, so I need to close it and open up a new one. So if we now try Go again, it still cannot be found. Turns out I just had to exit from VS Code, open up a new one, open up a new terminal, and now it's coming up. So if we type Go version, we can see that the version of Go installed comes up. So what we will do now is we're going to create a main.go file. And as we can see here, VS Code has come up with a recommended extension to install, which is what we will install. So now we just need to wait for this to finish. Okay, so now with this installed, we can now create our first Go application. So first thing we'll do, in our main.go, start off with package main. We will then, for printing out Hello World, import format, doing quotes, and now we just need to create the main function which would run. So func main, two parentheses, and then curly brace, and then format.print line, and we can do hello world. So with this Go code written, we now need to run it, and we can do that by doing go run main.go, and we can see it's printed out hello world. But also, as we're doing this in VS Code and have the extension installed, we should be able to do F5. And we can see at the bottom, activating extensions. And it's now saying DLV command is not available. Run go install -v. Let's do that. Okay, it's now saying the tools was installed, so should be able to do F5 and have it run. Windows Defender firewalls block some features. That should be fine to allow. So let's try it again. Go.mod file not found in current directory. So because of that error, we now need to go create that. So we'll do go mod init, and we will call this hello world. To add module requirements and sums, go mod tidy. Did that create? Okay, that did create the go mod file. So got module hello world, and using Go version 1.2.3.3. So now maybe we can do F5, and we can see here hello world was printed out. So this is just a quick video showing you how to install Go on your Windows machine, how to get your VS Code set up to run it, and quick little hello world application. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe.